This is how millions of potatoes are harvested every single day, using powerful machines that completely transform the way farming works. It all starts in the fields, where massive harvesting machines slowly move across the land, digging deep into the soil and pulling out tons of potatoes in one continuous process. What looks simple from the outside is actually a highly coordinated system working in real time. As the machine moves forward, rotating blades and digging systems lift the soil, separating the potatoes from the ground. Inside, a series of conveyor belts immediately begins sorting the harvest. Dirt, stones, and debris fall away, while the potatoes continue moving through the system. At the same time, the machine gently cleans the potatoes, making sure they are not damaged while being transported through multiple stages. Everything is designed to handle large volumes without stopping, allowing farmers to harvest entire fields in a fraction of the time it would take manually. In just a few minutes, one machine can collect more potatoes than a group of workers could gather in hours. This is the scale of modern agriculture: fast, efficient, and built to handle massive demand. Once the potatoes are collected, they are transferred into containers or trucks, ready for the next stage. But the process doesn't end here. After harvesting, the potatoes are inspected and sorted, where workers remove damaged or low-quality ones to ensure only the best products move forward. This final step is still done with human control, combining machine efficiency with careful selection. It's where speed meets precision. What begins as raw crops hidden beneath the soil quickly becomes food ready to be transported, packaged, and delivered to stores around the world. And while it may look effortless, this entire process is the result of advanced engineering, powerful machinery, and a system designed to work at an incredible scale. Every pass across the field, every movement inside the machine, and every step of sorting plays a role in delivering millions of potatoes from farms to your table. And all of it happens faster than you might expect. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. And let me know in the comments what machines or processes you want to see next.